Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you get themselves up, running and selling things on Amazon here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members who've collectively sold over $50 million worth of their stuff on Amazon right around the world. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Have you ever thought yourself that you'd like to find out if you should sell a product on Amazon and actually put that product to a test with a small amount of stock? If you have, this video is for you. Alright, so here's an interesting one. This is from Hazima. So Hazima basically says, so what do we know? I'm at the stage looking for suppliers and getting quotations on my first product. Due to limited budget, so how much money she's got, I'm looking at ordering 100 units max of the product. However, what her supplier says is, if they are going to put Hazmina's brand, her logo, onto the products, then they will only do that if Hazmina orders 500 units, okay? So the question is, how can she order a lower amount and still brand her products, okay? So that's the basics of the question. So let me show you how to do that. So Alibaba, we all know about Alibaba, but what most folks don't know about Alibaba is something called the ready to ship area, which is just here. If you click on ready to ship, that's all products where you can buy very low order quantities. Very low order quantities, and they kind of come unbranded, okay? So they don't really have anything on them. You know, they don't really have anything at all on them. They're like blank, if you like, okay? And you can look at the same thing and you typically find them. These things are also on AliExpress as well. And of course, if you want to get the best possible deal, this is something else we could go into, but let's not do it right now. Then you should go check out 1688.com as well, because that's where you will find the best possible prices. A whole lot of shit dealing with that. However, as far as prices go, that's the best place. So what do? Well, you buy your 100 units from your supplier, no problems at all, and then you get them shipped into, let's just say it's Australia. You get them shipped directly to somewhere like Richard Aston at FBA Prep Service Australia, okay? So Rich is awesome. He does heaps of shit for me. Good guy. So you take them to Rich and he will then get your products in, and you can get separately. The company I use for this next part, I'm going to tell you, is these guys, Sticker Mule. So you can get your own logos printed. No, let's stay in there. You can get your own logo printed onto a sticker, and then it's super cheap from these guys, like custom stickers like that, custom labels. So I use these. And then you simply get Richard at FBA Prep Australia to put the sticker onto the product, and all of a sudden your product is now branded with your logo. It is not perfect. That's not perfect, okay? However, it will meet your needs at your current level of budget. When you're limited by budget, you can't do perfect. You have to do as much as you can within the confines that you've got, okay? So it's a really good way of still branding your products, but you haven't got the expense of having to order 500 units. I hope that makes sense. So actually, I wanted to show you this. This is a product I used to sell. I don't sell it anymore. That's how we started testing with this product. So you can see our logo there, Aussie Botanics logo. Well, that's what we did when we tested the product. I had Sticker Mule create that, stickers like that, custom labels, and then we had blank boxes. So just imagine the box without all this beautiful stuff on it, and then that's all we did. We couldn't get the boxes printed at the volume that I wanted to order because we were testing the ideas out. We couldn't do that, so we just got blank boxes and we printed our own stickers with our logo onto it, and then I had Rich put those stickers onto the boxes. Bada boom, bada bing, I've got my own brand of skincare products. That's how we did it. It works super, super well, okay? Super, super well. How much does FBA prep cost? I don't know. That's a conversation you have with Richard, not me. And I suspect that depends on what you want them to do for you. Yeah. So I've got no idea what it would be for you. Where did I get the boxes from? I can't remember. This was a long time ago, but from China. I don't remember where exactly. I got them in China. All right. Super easy way of doing it, yeah? So if you're ever stuck, you don't feel that you can't, just because your budget doesn't currently allow you to do the awesome shit that you want to do, that's okay. That's good incentive for you to make it work. But you can still get a good result in the short term by thinking creatively about the problems you've got. That video was taken from my normal Monday night open forum Q&A session where the 2,000 plus members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs jump on a call together and they just ask me heaps and heaps of questions and I answer for them live. If you'd like to find out more about joining us at the Aussie online entrepreneurs, we've got over 2,000 members and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia. Then you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneur.com.au. See you next time.